next section is just dealing with some problem solving skills, using what we know about shapes and about area and along with scale factor. So, on this first one, it says, what is the ratio of the lateral areas of the prism? So you can literally calculate the lateral area of this, which is the perimeter of the base times the height, and the lateral of this one, which is also the perimeter of the base times the height. Well, the perimeter of this base, because our side is 3, and then we got 6 sides, this would be 18 times our height, which is 9. So we get the lateral area to be 162. Well, I'm going to do the same thing with this larger prism. Our sides are 4, 6 sides, that's 24, times the height, which is 12. So our lateral area here is 288. Now remember, when dealing with ratios or scale factor, remember we just talked about scale factor the last couple of days, that is when we do the second to the first, or the new to the original or old. So our second lateral area is the 288 over our new, which is 162. And this is when you just type in your calculator, but you want to reduce it, and it does it for you. Just to recap, if I do 288 divided by the 162, it reduces to 16 over 9. Okay, so 16 over 9 is the ratio of the lateral areas. Okay, remember we're talking about area. So it says, what is the ratio for the total surface area? Well, our total surface area is going back to that scale factor. So if I take the scale factor of the lateral areas, which is 16 over 9, and I go to my original scale factor, that means I have to take the square root, because area was when you square it. Remember, area, the scale factor is when you square it. So I'm going to do the opposite, take the square root. Well, this becomes basically 4 over 3. But since I'm doing total surface area, I would end up squaring that, and I would end up with the same answer. It's going to be the same answer, okay? You could have went ahead and calculated and look at it, but it's just going to be the same. So on this next one, they're talking about volume. What do we do to the scale factor when dealing with volume? Yep, that's when we cube it. Well, we know our scale factor is 4/3. So I'm going to cube that, meaning I cube the 4, cube the 3. That gives me 64 over 27. That's my ratio of my volume. So on these last couple here, they want us to use what we know about scale factors in relationship to area and volume to help find the new area or volume. So my scale factor is the 4/3. And I'm not sure if you noticed this, but on our picture here, this is the side that's 4. That's the other side, that's 3 4/3. Even if I looked at the 12 to 9, that reduces to 4/3. So our scale factor is 4/3. So here it says, if the area of the base of the small prism is 400, what's the area of the base of the larger? So since we're talking about area, what do we do to the scale factor when dealing with area? Well, we have to square it. So if I square my 4/3, it becomes 16/9. So once it's defined the new area, so I take that 16/9, it tells us that the smaller area was 400. Where's the smaller number between 16 and 9? That's the 9, so that's 400. Try to find the larger, that's the 16. So we put the x over 400. And then we cross multiply this off. So just cross multiply, so your proportion, I believe on this one. On number, oh, I'm gonna scroll up, sorry. Ooh, dang it. extend the page. On 18, now we're talking about volume. You know the larger is that, with the volume of the smaller. So I take that 4/3, and we cube it. We did that already. That was 64 over 27. So now I'm writing my proportion. I'm trying to find the larger. Oh, we know the larger, sorry. We know the larger. So larger is the 10,000. We're trying to find the smaller. So we're going to cross multiply. This is a decimal answer as well. And then you have some more problems on the back. Well, let's go ahead and omit 20. Let's do the 19 because they gave us a scale factor. Okay, 2 similar patterns have scale factor, the 3/5, that's my scale factor. If the total area, I'm dealing with area, so what do I have to do to that scale factor? Exactly square it, so that becomes 9/25. So if the total area is the smallest, so I know the smaller is 36, so where is my smaller number? That's 36. We're trying to find the larger area, so we cross multiply, hopefully you got to 100. And I do believe then you have, yes, some practice test questions, which is what we started on. So as for the scale factors, just make sure you can do those 6 questions that we did in class, those multiple choice questions, like the video was started here. So thank you for taking care of this. Study well, preparing to make sure you practice and study. Failing to prepare, failing to study is preparing to fail. Favorite quote of all time. All right, thanks guys. Bye.